Camera. Camera. 9. Guess what? Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy has no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a fuzzy. Wuzzy. Peter Piper Patcher Pepper Pickles. Peter Piper Patcher Pepper Pickles. Peter Piper Patcher Pepper Pickles. Now, I have one more. Ready? How much? What's your tickle? What's your good? I said it. Oh, I did. I did it. Look, almost shy. Okay. You know what? I like to cook. My one and only bowl. You can buy it at your local store any day. Now, what do I like eating for breakfast? You want to know what I eat for breakfast? Okay, I'll show you what I eat for breakfast. I eat bubbles. I love bubbles. You like bubbles? We all love bubbles. You like that? Okay, I'll give you that next week. Next week, okay? Let's see what else I have. You like pencils, right? Everybody loves pencils. Okay? You like these? Sand thing? Whatever. Okay. You like the sand thing? Okay, whatever. Okay. But when it's speaking, you can have me. Okay. You like preschool CDs? You can have that. Okay. Or people learn American government, whatever. Nobody cares about that. Oh yeah, this is what I normally eat for breakfast. Poo! It rolls too. An acupuncture, add some needles. Or a napkin. You can rub your blood off with that. We have a spoon to stir your organs in there. Yeah, we have that. Okay, let me do the card trick. First of all, let me shoot a gun. Okay, pathetic gun. Okay. Dismiss. See the crayon? I love the crayon. You have it. Okay. I have a card trick. Who likes card tricks? Raise your hand if you do. Great. Okay. Like I care. See this card? I don't know it. See? Okay. I don't know it. Okay. Make two reappear. Okay. See? It's still that 7 of diamonds. Hearts. And there it is. Okay, I did it. Now what is this and this equal together? Okay, you don't know.
10.
Right? Okay. Now, this equals the same.